Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the Vsync in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to options. Now in those options, select graphics. And in the graphics section here, we will have our Vsync after we scroll a little. It's almost at the bottom of the first section. Now what we can do is we can disable it. And this tries to minimize the screen tearing in game, but I still recommend leaving it off because it can increase a lot of performance and our FPS won't be as capped. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.